Hello everyone, welcome to this video. We are doing question number 32 from H.C. Verma book Concepts of Physics 1, Chapter 2, Physics and Mathematics. According to the question, round the following numbers to two significant: A 3472, B 84.16, C 2.55 and D 28.5. We have to round off these numbers. So let's see the first number. The first number A is 3472. Now we can see we have to round off to two significant digits, so therefore these two will be the significant digits and we have to remove these two digits. Now this number, the next number next to the significant digit which we have to keep, is a number which is greater than 5. So when we will remove this digit, we will increase this digit by 1. So therefore this number, when rounded off to two significant digit, it will become 3500. I have removed 72 and introduced two zeros in place of that, and because 7 is greater than 5, therefore I have increased this number 4 by 1 digit and made it as 5. So this will be the number. B part 84.16. Now these two will be the significant digits and these two will be removed. Now as you can see, this number is less than 5. The number next to the significant figure which we'll keep, so this 4 will not be increased by 1 this time because this is less than 5. So therefore it will be written as 84. We have removed 16, these two numbers, and we have kept only two significant figures, and the last significant figure is not increased by 1 because this number, the next number 1, is less than 5. C part 2.55. Now we have to keep these two digits and the next number, this is equal to 5 in this case. So when the number is equal to 5, in that case we follow two rules. One rule is for even numbers and another rule is for odd numbers. In case of even numbers, we keep the digits same, and in case of odd number, we keep the previous digit, we increase that digit by 1. So as the digit is odd, the previous digit is odd and the next digit is 5, therefore we will increase the previous digit, this 5, by 1. So therefore it will become 2.6 and we will remove this 5 to keep these two significant digits. So the result of C part would come out to be 2.6, and in the D part it is 28.5. Now according to this rule, the digit before 5, now again we have 5, so digit before 5 we have to keep these two digits, and the digit before 5 is an even number, so therefore we will keep the same even number as it is and we will remove this 5. So the final result would come out to be 28. We will not increase the digit, we will keep the same digit as. So that's how we round off the numbers. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.